Students, in my previous video class, I taught you that how to move the turtle to the forward direction by FD command and how to return it back by BK command. So already which command I have given, or that is primitive I have given in earlier class, earlier class I have already written that is FD60. Now it's time to turn the turtle to the right direction or left direction, because without turning we cannot draw the shapes. So today I am going to draw a box there. So how to do this? Now to draw a box, I have to move the turtle to the left direction. So it should be 90 degree. So to make a perfect box, the turtle should turn to the 90 degree angle to the left side. So let's write it. The rules you know already what to do. You have to write the command, write L, T, then I say it one space only. Then only 90, 9, 0. Then what is the rule? One time press enter key. See, the turtle has turned to the left direction to 90 degree angle. Or suppose if I turn this to this way, it should be LT, LT, LT 90, the box will be drawn. So better to use RT 90. So it will be easier for you to draw is, and the turtle will move to the right side to draw that box. So let's start from the beginning. My turtle is there at the tip of that line. I showed you when I give LT 90 how the turtle will move to the left direction. If I give RT 90, the turtle will be moved to the right direction. So now it's time to write the same number with RT command. RT, one space, then 9, 0. At last enter. See, this way the turtle head is now to the right direction and the angle is 90 degree. The turtle has moved to the 90 degree right direction. Again same command, FD space 60, enter. See, the second line has drawn. Same way RT, see RT, one space 90. Look at the screen. Again FD space 60, enter. Third line has drawn here. Again RT space 90, enter. And again the last command, FD space 60. Fourth line. See, the square has drawn by using only two simple commands, that is FD and RT, and with that we need the numbers, that how many steps it will go forward and which angle the turtle will move. So this way we can do, as like I have drawn a square, in this way we can draw also a rectangle. By drawing rectangle, when we draw a rectangle, the opposite line length will be same. Here FD60 all are same. When we are drawing a rectangle, the two lines numbers will be same and opposite two lines numbers will be same, as like that way. So when we practice more logo commands, I will show you how to do this. And another thing that has given the fifth command, that is home command. See, And what is the function of home command? This command will bring the turtle to the center of the screen with the head pointing upwards. So here this is not the center position and this is not the turtle set as like it's set as a forward upward direction. So let's write home and check that what is going on the screen. HOME, only, no number is needed here. Then press enter. See now, this is the center of the screen. That means my turtle is now at the center of the screen. The picture is not to look it prominently or visible in a proper manner. We have to hide the turtle. What is the command to hide the turtle? HT. Then enter. So what is the command to hide the turtle? HT, enter. Now check the difference. The previous way the turtle was there, but now only the shape is there on the screen to look it in a visible manner, on a proper manner. So that's why you need to hide the turtle. So in today's class, which of the commands we have learned? We have learned how to use FD command, how to use RT command, how to use LT command, what is the function of home command and what is the function of HT command. So by these common commands or the simple commands, try to draw other shapes also in your home. So in the next class, few of the commands left from this chapter which I am going to discuss. For today only up to this. So bye bye for now. Thank you.